Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize sending texts with CallRail, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authorize sending texts with CallRail, start by logging into your CallRail account. Once logged in, navigate to the main dashboard. Locate the settings option in the left-hand menu. Click on settings to access your account preferences. In the settings menu, find and select notifications. Inside the notifications section, scroll down to the SMS settings. Here, look for the option labeled Authorize SMS Sending. Click on this option to begin the authorization process. You may be prompted to verify your identity. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete this verification. Once verified, you will be directed to a configuration page. Here, enter the phone number you wish to use for sending texts. Make sure to double-check the number for accuracy. After entering the number, click on the Send Verification Code button. You will receive a code via SMS to the number provided. Check your phone for the verification code. Once you have the code, return to the CallRail interface. Enter the verification code in the designated field. After entering the code, click on the Verify button. If the code is correct, you will see a confirmation message. This means your number is now authorized for sending texts. Finally, adjust any additional SMS settings as needed. You have now successfully authorized sending texts with CallRail. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.